So now we've gone through the MegaCorp and KoolKids Competitive Intelligence 360 circle, we can now work out what the best story for each of these organizations have to win, and we can look at the things that they need to avoid as well. So let's start with MegaCorp. So what does MegaCorp want to be talking about? MegaCorp's talking points want to be about ESG. They really want to start with ESG, specifically governance. They've got that coming out the yin yang. They want to point out they have a diversified business, which gives clients fewer vendors to deal with, which makes them more comfortable and is easier. They want product to be part of a larger whole. If they concentrate on individual products, they're likely to lose. If they talk about a portfolio of products, they're much more likely to win. They want clients to understand this is a commodity item, a bit like a laptop or a printer. The actual individual device is less important than the vendor you're buying it from, and they want to be perceived as the safe choice. What does MegaCorp want to avoid at all costs? They don't want to talk about the age of solutions or the quality of support or the experience of their resellers. This is, after all, a commodity product as far as they're concerned. Let's keep it that way. The ideal client for MegaCorp is a large organization, 2,000 people plus. They want to have clients who believe that video is simply another tool. They probably want to be Windows users throughout the organization. They want a purchasing department that runs the project, and they want a company looking for a safe choice. Nothing fancy, totally down the line, the easy to buy, easy to install solution. So how do KoolKids win? KoolKids' talking points are beautiful design, the deep understanding of the market that they bring, a world-class support system, which includes the ability to ring the CEO if necessary, and they want clients to understand that great products matter. So ultimately, KoolKids are the cool choice. What do KoolKids really want to avoid? They want to avoid governance. So they want to avoid purchasing departments at all costs. They also want to avoid the range of options. I want to point out they have great tools for a niche part of a client's solution, because that's where they will really shine. KoolKids' ideal client is an organization of between 100 and 2,000 people. These are the sorts of organizations that are open to Mac usage. If they walk through the organization, there's Macs everywhere. They've probably got half the job done already. They want user choosers involved. So some senior executive who understands that video can give them a competitive advantage. They really want to avoid purchasing departments. And they want a cool company that is looking for this technology to give them an edge rather than simply keeping up. So what are the conclusions from this? The conclusions are that the best story wins, not the best product. In fact, no one can really define what best product is anyway, so it's going to have to be the story. So you have to define the fight, and if you can define the fight, you can win it. You must be believed to be heard, and you need to have credibility for that to happen. And ultimately, you need to fight battles you can win. If MegaCorp goes to some little design agency, they're going to lose and waste their time. If KoolKids goes to some government agency, they're going to lose and they're wasting their time. So I hope you found this useful. We will be doing a load more videos on this to give you ideas, and please get in contact if you'd like to work with us on doing similar things for your organization. And in the real world, we'll do a lot more detail than we have here. Okay, thanks, and we'll see you all soon.